Good morning. So this is one of our invention that we apply to the 9th World Invention Creative Olympic, which have been taking place in Republic of South Korea. So we titled this our invention is affordable drowsiness detection using Android application and the Google API. So the lead in this project is Mr. Chan Mituna and me, Chung Parino. We applied these inventions to Northern University. So as a background, this invention have a purpose to solve the problem of the alleviate the problem of traffic accident, especially people using the car. As you know, normally the recently recent year, the number of the traffic accidents have been increasing, and not only the number of fatality people die, they also impact on economic growth. So, as a report by UNDP and the National Road Safety Committee, so they report recently that they found out that in 10 years, Cambodia have lost around 466 million US dollar, equivalent to the 1.7 of the annual GDP of the countries to traffic accident alone. And the problem, the main issue that they found is a human error in traffic accident. So with the concern, we want to apply our current understanding in technology and with the current advance in the AI and machine learning to propose solution. So our three main feature in our solution is that the solution will be based on existing infrastructure, so the cost will be affordable, and also there's no need to have additional, so it will be plug and play using our current existing mobile phone, and with the stand on the when people are driving the car. So we will explain detail more our invention in the next part of the video. So our solution is based on purely software, which is application developed in the Android application. So every smartphone will be able to use this application. So in principle, the user will have to put their phone into specific. So there are two main features before they start driving and during driving the car. So in here, there's two main features. We use the Vision API and combine with the cloud machine learning to predict the mode, to create a model to see if the subject is in a state of drowsiness or in a sober state. So in here we use the camera from the smartphone to capture the facial, and at the first before the subject start the car, they have to start application, and they do a small testing within a short segment of the video. So the facial recognition will determine if the subject is in a sober state or in the drowsiness state. So if they pass in the first stage of the testing, the software will congratulate the driver and they allow the driver to start. So it will move into the listening stage. In the second stage of the software, so the software will constantly taking streaming feature of the driver, also combined with the sensor in the cell phone. It is accelerometer to determine if the driving behavior is abnormal or the subject is doing the good at the driving smoothly. So by combining the car technology, we can learn from that sensor the movement of the driving, if the subject moving too fast or too slow. So when combined with the feature with the facial recognition, the system will determine if the driver is in good condition to drive or not. If the system determines the condition that is not good to drive, the system will give a live alert and suggest a driver to stop and take some rest or take a taxi instead of driving. So this is very, we think that the solution is very simple and very effective to allow people to do better in taking care of their health and their life during the public transportation. So going back into our project, we hope that this project will save a lot of life, and with very simple solution by install our app, and then they can do it a simple calibration. They can use this application by themselves. So this is our one main feature, is plug and play. Okay, thank you again for considering our project for this competition.